Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about how you charge at a Tesla Supercharger. Probably going to be your first time, and if you've not done it, there's a couple of things to note that will make it all a bit easier. So the first one is you can see these kind of bumps here, like almost like a speed bump barrier here, and what you want to do is they're placed in each of the bays at exactly the place where you want to back your car up to, so you'll feel the tires, you'll feel the wheel just kind of bump there, and it will stop you. It's almost like hitting the brakes. You want to back it up to there so that the cable from the charger can reach your car. If you stop that shorter than there, if you stop it say like a meter that way, chances are this is not going to reach there, and you're going to have a little bit of an embarrassing moment for your first time at the charge. Also, as I've said in another video prior to this as well, these supercharger cables can be a little bit tricky sometimes to come out. I've seen people yanking them about and they don't want to come out sometimes. All you have to do usually is just lift them and change that angle and they'll come out a lot easier, okay? When you take it over to your charging port, you can press the button right here and it opens the port for you. Or alternatively, you can just press the port and it'll open it for you also. Press it in, light changes, starts pulsing when you've got healthy charge initiated. There we go, and that's it. You can look on the display of your car, as we'll do here. Let's zoom in a bit and you'll see it's charging. You zoom back out, come back over to the supercharger, you can hear that whirring away now. This is one of the version 3s, the V3s, and they charge up to 250 kilowatts. So a lot of juice going through there, and you can hear that mechanism in action there. And again, we can see if we go back to the car, got somewhere in the region of 26% state of charge, and it's flowing in at about 175 kilowatts. Okay, I hope that helps and makes it a bit easier for the first time you come to one of these fantastic Tesla Superchargers.